Here there is an example being discussed. Okay, money as a medium of exchange. Now, if there are two people or three people, I'll give you shoes for your wheat. So this man has got shoes, exchange one in exchange he wants wheat. I don't need shoes, I need clothes. Now this man does not need shoes, wants to buy clothes. So exchange can only take place when there is a double coincidence of want. समझ में आया? So there can be no exchange possible without presence of money in this particular case. I want shoes, but I don't have wheat. Now you can see in these three photos that the exchange cannot take place because there is no double coincidence of want, and this is how things of value were started as used as a medium of exchange. So money as money, shuru se it was not like that. And what do we see? That double coincidence of want may, if suppose this man had shoes and this one wanted shoes, then it could have been done. But because he does not want shoes, this double coincidence of want does not exist here also. Neither does it exist in this case. Because I want shoes, but I don't have wheat to give it to him. So because there is no double coincidence of want, exchange of goods may not be able to take place. In the past, things used to take place on the basis of double coincidence of want. But now you can see this cannot happen like this. So what is the other way? Here you can look at the fact that something, come to the next page, and here you will see that money acts as an intermediate for exchange process. It is called as medium of exchange. So money becomes most important because it has become a medium of exchange. In the past, if you see, we did not have money as it is now, like the rupees that you are seeing here. We didn't have this. So what did we exchange in the past? So metal coins, etc., they were made later. But before that, things of value, things which had value were used because they were less in number, they were used as medium of exchange. Today, also gold, silver, and copper coins are. Why are the coins made up of gold, copper, and silver? The answer to that lies in the fact that because they have got a value. Gold is very costly, so that is why gold coins, right? So what do we find? In modern form, money currency, we have got paper notes and coins. And unlike things that we use as money earlier, modern currency is made up of precious metal as gold, silver, and is not made up of. Please note that in the past it was made up of gold, silver, and copper. But today, modern currency is not made up of precious metals. This is also you need to understand, right? Then the question comes, which is a very general question, which any one of you can ask me, that why is it then used as a medium of exchange when it does not have any in value in itself? Why do we value this paper as 20 and this as 5? They both are papers. The answer to that is being given here. It says it is accepted as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. So why? Because there is a law that says it has been authorized. Who authorizes? The ruling party, the government of that country authorizes that money. Okay. And for what? As a medium of exchange. So if you look at a note, which I will just show you. Here, if you see, you have got a 100 rupees note, and this 100 rupees note has a promise. And the promise is this: I promise to pay the bearer the sum of rupees 100. So the notes are promissory notes. Who issues the notes? This note has been issued by RBI. The value of this note is 100 because people don't know both the languages. So it is written in Hindi as well as English. This has got a stamp of the Reserve Bank of India, and you can also see it has got a specific number. Any original note, I'll show you the old one. This is original note here, and you can see that there is a number given here, and this number is always different in every note. No two notes can have similar number. Okay, and if you see, this number is written on both the sides, and then there are some marks here which make it difficult to copy, which are given here, right? Now we go back to the books, and you can see now in the book it says Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes. Right? And no organization is authorized to make notes, right? And it is a medium of exchange, right? What do the people do with extra cash? They deposit it in the bank account in their name. Bank accepts that money and pays them interest. And what is the advantage of keeping the money in the bank? That it is safe, nobody can steal it, and you also earn an interest. So that way your money increases. Now, if you don't put the money in the bank, it will remain as much as it is. If you invest in business, it may increase double, triple, 10 times. But if you keep the money as it is, then neither will it give you interest nor will it increase. It will remain as it is. So what we need to do is we have to uh, put the money in the bank, and money that can be easily drawn is called as demand deposit, right? Because that money can easily be taken out. That is why it will be called as demand deposit, right? Now, if your money is in fixed deposit, hmm, not written here, but if your money is in fixed deposit, then what will happen is you will get higher rate of interest, because that money you can also not take, because you have promised the bank that I'm not going to take this money out for so many days, so that money will earn better interest. So demand deposit offer another interesting facility which leads to essential characteristics of money. And what is that? That is here he is talking about checks. Okay, recording. So if you look at a check, it has a specific number which is check number. This coding is used by the bank. This is your check number, and this varies from check to check. So suppose if you have given someone a check number, that particular number you should remember कि ये किसको दिया है. ये बैंक की ब्रांच की कोड का नाम लिखा है. ये NIE कैंपस ऑरबिंदो मार्ग का ये चेक है। ये अकाउंट नंबर है जिसमें से पैसे निकलेंगे। जब तक देर इज नो अकाउंट नंबर, नो मनी कैन नॉट बी टेकन आउट, राइट? दिस इज ब्रांच कोड एंड दिस इज द अमाउंट 57,000 ओनली। ओनली इसलिए लिखते हैं तो दैट आगे कोई एक्सटेंड ना कर सके, और उसी का यहाँ पर स्लैश डाल के ऐसे बंद कर देते हैं कि आगे यहाँ पर उस पर जिसने ये साइन किया है, दिस मीन्स इसका ये अकाउंट है, ठीक है ना? और किसको दिया जा रहा है? प्रेम कुमार को दिया जा रहा है। और प्रेम कुमार इसको डायरेक्टली नहीं निकाल सकता कि वो जाए और इसको बैंक में दे पैसे मिल जाएंगे। ये प्रेम कुमार के अकाउंट पे ही है, मतलब अकाउंट में ही जाएगा। देयर शुड बी अ पर्सन कॉल्ड प्रेम कुमार who must have account in which this money will be put. Then only he will be able to get this money because it's an account pay check and there is a date written, and this is check published in 2016, and in the 6th month, है ना? This check was signed. When was it published? That's a different thing. But when this check is signed, from this date the validity begins of the check. Okay, so uh, thank you, children.